If you're looking for 12-inch wall clocks, here's a collection you've got to see. New and popular 2017 12-inch wall clocks. Number 1, most popular, by Utopia Home. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, by Bekith. Number 3, by Hippih. For more details about this great wall clocks, just click this circle. Number 4, by Unity. Number 5, by Famicozy. Find these 12-inch wall clocks at up to 70% off by clicking the info circle. Number 6, by Hippih. Number 7, by Hito. Click the circle in the corner to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by Hippih. Number 9, by Meat. Discover more 12-inch wall clocks ideas and items to explore, click the circle in the corner. Number 10, by West Clocks.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.